So hi people. So yeah, I'm going to write the contest now. But I would be writing at an unrated, because I thought I got around 1,400, but to get to 1,600, first I have to make sure I get in the ranking from 1,000 to 1,500. Because if you want a significant increase, you have to be in 1,000 to 1,500 from 1,400. So until I consistently get that kind of rankings in the contest, I would try to write less rated and more like unrated. But yeah, whatever the mood at that time. So yeah, I would be writing the contest unrated, which would start in 10 seconds, I guess. So this is a screencasting because it is unrated, and also I have exams to prepare, so I might leave it in the middle. So whatever. Yep. Let's get to the questions, I guess. Okay. Can see unboxes an array of A with n integers in G score is 0. She'll perform the following operations in a number of times, selects two indices ij such that either I nor j has been chosen in the previous operation and ai equals to aj. Then add 1 to the score, output the maximum score can achieve after performing the aforementioned operations any number of times. You make it sound like it's an infinite number of operations, but it's just oh, okay. So n is 20. I mean less than or equals to 20. So selects two integers I and j that neither in any previous operation, and ai equals to aj. So we have to select two equal things, is it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. You have to just find out the different elements and I think I need 2 minutes break, guys. I would just be back. Okay, I'm back. So how much time did I lose? Oh, it's already 4 minutes. Okay. So AI is less than or equals to n. So okay, fine. It's easy, I guess. Uh, we need a vector and v of n plus 1. So next, Okay. Oh, it's taking so long. I think this should work fine. I think more than 1,000. That's a lot of people. Did it get accepted? No. To help you prepare for the upcoming Codeforces contest, get a great problem and is trying to give view and by get through your input stream. Specifically, your input stream should contain the following. The first line contains two integers and an m, and the next line contains m integers. Okay. However, someone has intercepted your input stream, shuffled all the given integers, and put them all on one line. Okay. Now there are k integers all on one line, and you don't know where each integer originally belongs. Instead of asking, determine the values of m and n yourself, or put the possible values of m and n. Okay, I didn't quite get the question. The first line, of each test case contains an integer k, the total number of inputs in your input stream. So two of them are m and n. And the other are, okay, it's also an easy question, I guess. You just have to sort it and check if it's a divisor or not. K minus 2 and find if it's a divisor. You have to check if other element also exists or no. So let's see. Oh, it's K, right? Just don't. Uh, so Cn K. Vector int v of K for okay. I can use something like a set, but I don't want to. Oh, there is no n. It's K. If K minus 2 percent V of I, then continue. Else int m would be K minus 2 by V of I. Also, we need to and index is upper bound of what do you think? M minus v dot. Okay, so f index minus 1 greater than I, and because if it's equal, then you don't take the element because you already consider the element as n. So yeah, and v of index minus 1 equals to m. What if there is no m and n? Do we return minus 1? Okay, answer exists, so you don't have to worry about that. Let us say p comma q because I might get confused. P is v of I, q is what is q? Q is m and break. Yeah. Anyway, why did it fail though? It's the exact same output, right? Okay, it's 1 4 and 4 1 here. That's why it failed, but whatever. That doesn't matter, right? Let us write one more test case. Let's say I have the same elements but with a small change. Instead of at 3, here I have a 4. Yeah, nice. This will work. Okay, that's taking some time. Nice. Let's get to the third question now. Super ultra, right? Let's whatever, man. Construct a permutation p of length n such that pi plus 1 is composite. Okay, composite is nothing but not a prime, right? X is composite if we have one. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Overall, uh, 1 less than. Okay. Okay. If not possible, output minus 1. Fine. We need a permutation p of length n such that okay, so adding any two elements gives me a composite number. Okay. So other than 2, I could do something like this, right? Like keeping all the odd numbers at one place, all even numbers at one place. So the only place that would give me trouble is between an intersection between an odd number and even number, like, right? So what do you think of that idea? it gives something like a so the sum would give me an odd number. That's impossible to, you know, eliminate anywhere. So what is the first composite odd number? So 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 9 is the first composite odd number. So if it has odd number, then so anything. So if I have, so I would say for any n greater than 5, it's possible. Now I have to check for n less than 5. So let us say 1, 2, 3, 4. Would it be possible for 1, 2, 3, 4? Mm, let us say I keep 1 and I can't keep 1 and 2 together. So there should be something between 1 and 2. So you can't keep 2 and 3 together. So you can't keep 3 and 4 together either. So 3 shouldn't be. No, for 4 you can't. So 4 should not come after 1 or after 3, and 2 also shouldn't come after 1 or after 3, which is impossible. So yeah, that can't be possible. So if I take 1, 2, 3, so what are the possible values of 1, 2, 3? So 1 shouldn't come after 2, right? And 2 also shouldn't come after 3. Okay, I think I got it. So it's a pretty simple one, I guess. If n less than or equals to 4, else I can just do I have to give n elements, right? So mm, let us say n is odd. Oh, yeah, whatever. I'll just give 4 and 5. If 2 and 2 I plus 1 greater than n, then wait. Why the hell am I having problem for filling odd numbers and even numbers, man? Seriously. here is what I'm gonna do, bro. Like, I don't want to have 2 into I plus 1 greater than n, and 2 into I greater than n, break. What the? F 2 into I plus 1 less than n, then oh god. F 2 into I less than n, then and I have to swap the third one and which I don't want to think what is it about, so shit. Why am I wasting my time with this question? I wasted a lot of time in this question actually. Fuck. What? Ah. Is man greater than 1? And yeah, fine. Okay. Wait. What? Where is... What? This is fine, right? Ah. Wait, what's happening here? It's 0 indexing. For God's sake. Okay, so 1375. Let us try for another number. Like, maybe 5 numbers. 4, 3, 10, 15, 17. -1, -1, 1, 3, Wait, what? What's happened here? Ah, okay. I exchanged these two. Yeah, it's fine. I wasted a lot of time here. I don't know why. I should be ashamed of myself. My self path can be modeled by a number line. She starts at position 1 and the path ends at position L when she is at position X. Uh, with a jump power of k, she can jump to any position in the interval x to x plus k. Okay. Initially, her jump power is 1. However, her self path isn't completely smooth. There are n hurdles on a path. Each hurdle is represented by an interval L and R, meaning she cannot jump to any position in L and R. Okay. There are also m power-ups at certain positions on the path. The power-up I is located at position xi and has a value vi. When Mulan at position when Mulan is position xi, she has the option to collect the power-up to increase the jump power by vi. Then there will be multiple. Why the hell is this story, man? Seriously. There may be multiple power-ups at same positions. Okay. What is the minimum number of power-ups you must collect to reach the position L to finish the path? Okay. I do get some idea from this, but does she have an option to not collect the power ups? Like, even if you're at a position xi, I don't want to collect it. Okay, yeah, we have. . 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . . . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . . 。 .
。 . 。 .
So it's like, let me just quickly look at the standings. Ah, nice. We wasted a lot of time in the second question and the third question, huh? Yeah, whatever. I thought I was attempting it unrated, no? Yeah, it's not the time to worry about it, I guess. But okay, let us see. I'll end on there. So we can skip. Yeah, we can do something like a DP. Does our power decrease by L or something if we jump past? Can the power decrease at any time? Uh, okay. So what do you think? So she can collect or she can ignore. So, so I can just play it till the max. So the last element is definitely max, right? How many M's do I have? Okay, there are 10 power 5, so you can't DP on score. I mean, I can't. If I want to DP on something, I should. It should be linear, not quadratic. Or can I say? Okay, I think I need to use a rough book or something. Maybe. Shit. I think this might take some time. So let us say I have some jump from. I just jumped, and I have to jump the next one. I don't have to worry about something less than this, so I just keep taking the max till then, right? Okay, so yeah, I think I have an idea. Let us use priority queue. What do you think? Yeah, I think we can do something like that using a priority queue. So what my idea is, so uh, if we see what do you call this thing? Uh, yeah, if you see a power, you take it and push it into the priority queue. And if you now want to, yeah, if you see a peak, you first check your jump power. If it is greater, you skip it, you don't use anything. And if it's less, you just take the top element, add it to your jump power, and yeah, that's it. I think we can do something like that. It's not a very big code too, so and what are the N, N, and L? Okay, N, M, and L. So the value of L doesn't matter, right? Why does L matter to us? The only thing that matters is the places of hurdles and the places of power ups, right? So anyway, so I'm not using L, so I think I don't need it. So 3 divs N and L. The first line contains two members Li and Ra. So I want to first store them in okay. So for int I equals to 0, L and R, I less than I plus plus. Okay, so our v of I would be L comma R minus L plus 1, right? And wait a second, I can just take all the input here itself, right? But I don't think so. And for int I equals to n, I less than m, x comma shit. What the hell is that? That looks like a porn website. So I am so bad. Ah, you can't use v. And v of I unsorted v dot begin v dot end. So now I have to traverse, wait, priority. Oh, yeah. Let us just say I okay for convenience of v as and also if it's less than 0. Oh, and equals to initially 1. So I am at L minus 1 and I have to go to R plus 1. Right? So R plus 1 minus L minus 1, which is R minus L plus 2. So let's just do F power less than A alias of I dot. Or I could just do this while P is not empty and power less than right, and top is P dot top and P dot pop and power is equals to top F power less than alias of I dot second, then answer is minus 1 and pick F else, oh wait, yeah, I forgot that. Initially power is 1, done. Else just P dot push I dot second, yeah. I think this should work pretty good. I don't know if I, if you ask me, are you sure? No, I'm not. Okay, that's a good sign. What is this about? Oh, there could be long. No? Yeah, I might get an error. Wait, why didn't I get an error? I thought there should be long too, right? I better change it to long. will submit it again just to be safe. Oh, yeah, I think it's fine now. Okay, that's good. No. Now, this is an interactive problem. Okay, Kachina. Who's the Kachina challenges you to guess her favorite binary string star s of length n. She defines f l comma r as the number of subsequences. Bro, why the hell are they giving the story, man? Seriously. Kachina challenges you to guess her favorite binary string f of length n. Okay. She defines f l comma r as the number of sequences of 0 1 in, okay, two subsequences are considered different if they are found by deleting characters from different positions in the original string, even if the, okay, to determine s number of subsequences of 0 1 in, so the subsequence itself is 0 1, right? No? What do you mean number of subsequences of 0 1? Let us worry about that later. First, determine s. You can ask her some questions. In each question, you can choose two indices L and R and ask her for value. Okay. Determine the output S after asking no more than n questions, as n is the length. However, it may be the case that S is impossible to be determined. In this sequence, you would need to return impossible instead. Formally, S is impossible to be determined if after asking n questions, there are always multiple possible strings for S, regardless of what questions are asked. Okay. Note that if you report impossible when there exists a sequence, okay. Okay. Let us first see an example. In the first query, you ask for the value f of 1, comma 5, and she responds with 4 in the input stream. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone's calling me. Should I take it? Maybe not. Maybe I will talk to them later. It's not an urgent call or something. Okay. So what if L comma R give you? So if I have a 0 at I, number of ones coming after I, let us say f of I gives you number of ones after the index I that appear in the subsequence, okay? So you are supposed to calculate f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4 and so on. Right. So if I'm given a f of L comma R, so at every 0 I calculate, let's say q of I, that's number of ones coming after the index. I calculate that at every 0 and I return the sum of that elements, right? Someone's laughing pretty loud. So I first ask f1 comma n. If it's 0, then there are no zeros or all the elements are same, so you can't do anything and you give up. It's impossible to determine. So and I ask f1 f of 1 comma n, I asked it, and now I ask what is f of 2 comma n. So if it's less, then I would get an idea of how many ones are there, right? So f of 2 comma n, if it's less, then I will get an idea of how many ones exist, and also maybe how many yeah, the first element would be 0. Then I ask f of, if it's 1, then I mean if it doesn't change, if it's the same, then it's definitely a 1 there, so I'll keep a 1 and move on. So if I keep doing that, the value changes at every 0. Right? Yeah, I think we can do something like that, no? But so let me just quickly connect my, or need to write something. I want to just see it, what's happening here. I think it's not that difficult or something. I also think already many would have submitted it. Come on, man, open up. So I'm saying this, okay? There's a 0 here, some ones here, and a 0 here, and some ones here, okay? Let us say this is f of, let us say this is x. All these also have x, and let us say these are p ones, and this would have x plus p, right? No, is it just x plus p or 2x plus p? Because whatever subsequences I can build, not exactly 2x plus p, but uh, uh, let us say these are y subsequences, and this adds, or just say, and I have some ones, let us say x ones here, x1, x2 ones here, let us say the score is here x, and so this would become x plus x1 plus x2, right? So this value would not change if I am going to 1 to 1, it would not change. If I am going from 0 to 0, it would not change only if x is 0. So let us say if I have a subsequence m1, 1, and let us say I have a 0 here, and when I suddenly go from here to here, the score became 0. So I knew that this value is 0. And there are no sequences here. See, if the value b greater than 0 and it didn't change, initially my value, it is v, it's again v, but it's not 0, then it's a 1. If it's v1, it decreased to v2, but it's not 0. Then it's a 0. Next, fh v1 to v2, but v2 is 0. Then v1 0 for sure, and these elements and this 0, so these have v1 ones here. But no 0, so all the ones come first and zeros come next. So I have some ones, so I have v1 ones and the remaining all are zeros. If it's from v1 equals to 0 to v2 equals to 0, if it's not determined, then it is impossible. That's what I want to tell. I don't know if it works or not. I'm not particularly good at this kind of things, but are there any questions? Right. Yeah. I would like to use for loop. particularly think it's only impossible if it doesn't have any different number. If it has a different number, then it's never impossible. Uh, First off, and okay, so S. Uh, I think that should work fine. Chat. What? What's that? Flag was not declared. Okay, I thought I. Okay, maybe I also would try to. You want to give me n? Let us say n. Okay, that's working fine. Now 0 1 0 0 1 0. 0 1 0 0 1 0. What? What? Wait. Ah, okay. Mm. What? Excuse me. Oh, shit. Yeah. What now? I'm wasting my time here completely. Oh man. Shit. What's happening? What's wrong with me? Come on, man. It's not that tough, is it? It's not working as I want it to be. What the hell you mean Z is -2, bro? Oh shit. Okay, let us go with that. Wait, what? Did you forget something? Wait a second. Uh, I think I'm fine with this now. One last time. Okay. Okay. This should not have taken this long, but I hope it's correct now at least. Please be correct. Please, please, please. That does not look nice. What the? Why did I do? Okay, so I will maybe pause for some time so that I could think it. Finally, I corrected it. So it's running on test 4. Now on test 8. I hope it works. Yep, it did. So I think I don't think I would solve F. So I think I'll stop here. Yeah, the contest still has 10 minutes. I can't do anything in 10 minutes. So maybe I'll leave that there. And let me just explain what I changed. Uh, Let me show you the previous code. And let us compare these two, I guess. This was my code initiation. Let me just show you the code itself. Okay, then later I would show you what I have changed. So I identified the can I compare? Mhm. Maybe not. Okay, whatever. So yeah, I just uh, changed this line uh, to somewhere here because if uh, yeah, why did I change it exactly is because for some reason if my previous is 0. No, why did I change it exactly and why did it work? I somehow it's the exact same thing, right? Yeah. Uh, I changed it because I was thinking if previous is 0 for some reason and x is also 0, then it would add 1 instead of going into the else. That's the reason why I have changed it. But for the previous to be 0, that should be 0. And if x is 0, it would break. Yeah, that's the thing I have changed. I don't get it why I have changed it now. Well, I think maybe that's it for today's contest. I got stuck in the, you know, in the E part. I should have decoded better. I should have debugged it better. But yeah, stuff happens, and if I had done it well, I would have left. I would have been left with 45 minutes, I guess. Yeah, maybe 40 minutes. Yeah, if I had done it well, I would have been left with 40 minutes. But uh, yeah, I would have tried the F part, but now we can't do it. So I think I will stop the video here, and that's it. We will meet again, I guess. Bye. Uh, That's it. Bye.